Hey friends, Legion here, back at it with part 4 of the Republic Gunship. You know, I got my drink here to help me keep going. Got to keep my energy up so we can have some fun, do some more of this build. In the last video, I said we're gonna be doing more up here, do some flaps, some doors. I'm not sure if they'll open or if they'll just be like part of the outside, like the armor, the shell. Not sure, but we'll find out. So let me take a little drink here. Set this down over here and jump right into it. Bag number 4. In this step as well, we'll be adding the front guns, pew, pew, pew. Which I think we're going to start with that first, is what it looks like. So that's cool. Start off with get some actual defense systems online. In case the Seppies want to come and attack. Well, at least have weapons. I don't know if they'll be online or not, but maybe intimidation factor. Might keep them at bay, It's always good to have weapons when you're in the heat of battle. Because if they shoot first, you can shoot back, or if you need to shoot, you're prepared. Making the base of the weapon of the front, I guess blasters, if you will, is something. I imagine that it sits on there, then it'll be able to swivel, how it needs to. Whoa. Nope, not you guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess it doesn't really matter, what's the front or which way these go. Like, it probably doesn't need to go this way, maybe, unless this might get in the way. Like, this might have to go like that. Not sure yet. And put you just like that. Rotate over. I guess it does matter how I have to do this, which is no problem. No problemo. I might as well get the other one. We'll set that down for now. That way I don't have to keep flipping back and forth through pages. Go ahead and get the second one going. Where? Okay, maybe blind here. Oh, right there. we need our, there's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we'll put our other base for the turret. Flip them over. And put you on. Don't know. Oh, I see where it's going to connect, I think. Now we got those 2 done. Now I can flip the page and continue. We'll flip one over. Does this just go? Am I missing something here? I don't think so. I guess I just push this all the way in. Yep, I guess so. Now we take another one. They're all the same. Oh, don't fall off there. Just like that. And since that was a struggle, I'm going to go ahead and do that on this side before proceeding. That one was easier. I like that. Okay. Now we're good to go. We'll put didgeridoo on that. Put that to this. And attach it to here. It's not very... They're both gonna be like that, I imagine. Yeah. I guess it'll work. Work for now. Those are just kind of loosely in there. Okay, so excuse me, just as I expected, once I saw it, we're gonna clip them right to those clips right there, like so. So it doesn't really move, but this guy can move, you know, to shoot them wherever they are. We'll just point them forward for now and finish the other turret. That one fits a little better. That one's snapped in and it needs to go just like that. Make sure you get it going the right way. Snap him in. We'll point him forward. Just like that. The turrets looks just like it from the show. It's awesome. I love it so far. Tell you what, these sets that they do, you know, whether how big, how small, you know, the smaller ones will be a little less accurate, less detail, I guess, rather. I still enjoy, you know, putting them together. You know, each little step you do gets more and more complete. Like this one, Just seeing that front like that is awesome. Love it. We'll flip him over and rotate. We'll put 4 of these on. Let me scoot him back a little. 1. Whoa, don't come off. Don't come off yet. Like that, and then we put, no, we're good, we're good. I thought I skipped, but the instructions go, instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, they go 1, 2. I about messed that up, but we're good. All good in the neighborhood. We'll lock them in place. So with those pieces going on, makes me think that these doors might be able to move at least somewhat. Now I gotta put you. And 1 right there. Is that center? No, it's not. Just like that. Flip them over, put our yellow accent piece on, and we got to put 2 stickers here. Number 18. Ooh, a little too high right there. Those doodads. And put them like, we're going to put them on these 2 right here. And you want the black little slot to go towards the top. There's 1. Now we'll do 2. That one's a little crooked, but it's okay. Oh, yeah, it's a little crooked, but it's all right. I struggle with the stickers sometimes. Now that's gonna go on this side, and he's going to connect to, oh, he's right here. Okay. We're gonna, let me rotate so you can see. We're gonna connect them to this didgeridoo right there. Just gonna slide them on like so. So, you know, just a little wiggle room. It's gonna be more for armor, you know, to keep it enclosed so no stray blaster shots can get in there. Now we're gonna be doing the bigger portion on this side. We start with 8. My oh my. 4, 6, 8. Try to keep these somewhat lined up. I can always adjust after I get them all on, which I'll probably have to do, which is no biggie. A little crooked. Those are all decent. So like that. Trying to make sure they're all down. Now we'll flip them like this and put, oh, we're putting you over, what, 6 of them. Like that. couple little pieces, or a couple other pieces. Like that. And this one's kind of hard to see, but we need the book. The book likes to curl up, and then you can't see, like, can't see kind of down in here, so I have to like push away. So we need you and you. And you're gonna go, okay, we're gonna split, keep those from coming apart, and then lock all them in to stop them from doing that, trying to come apart. And then we'll add you like so, so that we get something like this, or rather that. We'll keep them up. Actually, we'll set aside for now because gotta do a little something else before, which requires putting these on, and I need, oh, just two and you. We got a big dog and our two little ones on the side. Flip it like that and put our tan piece right, if I can get it to latch in. Nope, not there. Not, you slid over too far, I think, because you want 3 circles showing. Might be better yet, I might put this one on first, get a little better frame of reference. So you want 2 showing, you're gonna split. Okay, so I would have had it right after I had taken it off and put it where it needed to go, but it was just easier to put that, and that's what I should have started with, but that's okay. And then we'll just latch those down together, keep them from coming apart. Flip it back over and attach it to the underneath, like so. Now we'll be doing, you know, we'll put our number 18s on, we'll put 2 of them. And those are going to go on these 2 over here. Like that. One more. And then we will have, I can't get this one off, guys. There it goes. And then we will have 4 more for the other side, which will probably be, will still be in this step or this part, I would imagine. And now we got to take number 3, which is this one, peel him off here and put him like, put him more towards this side, right here. Try to get this somewhat even. Make sure it's all down, smoothed out. And it'll look something like that. And we can go ahead, oh no, not yet, not yet, jump the gun. Put this right there where it starts to angle. I'm gonna put this guy right underneath them. And now it'll look something like that. And now we can go ahead and attach him. We'll attach him to this didgeridoo right there. Like so, and then I imagine we will somehow put a piece or put another door panel to even that out and snap it together. But for now, I'll just make sure right there like that. Just get it ready, and yep, very next step, we are going to put this guy and snap him together. I'll rotate it here. Put him on like that. That way, when you lift one, it lifts all of it. And now we'll do this side. The exact same thing, you know, some pieces a little opposite because it is the other side. Flip them over. We'll put 4 more. Slide you up a little bit again. Cap them off. Make sure they're somewhat even. Now this is where it gets opposite. Last time we put it here. This time we're going to rotate him over to the other side. Make sure that's facing in. Same with this. Instead of putting it like that, we're going to put it more over here. Flip them over, put our accent piece on, again opposite, and then put our stickers on. And these will be on these two. Get this going the right way. Put him on, get our second one. Nope, too far down. Want to get them somewhat looking even. And that's probably the best one I've done so far. Those are pretty close to being even. And we'll go ahead and put him, now I won't have to rotate, but we'll put him on that didgeridoo. If I can see. Nope, don't you come off. There we go. That arch one to come off. We got it. Now they look identical. Now we'll do the big one for that side. We need our 8 here. And put them on this side now. We'll have the 2 extra or 2 leftover studs which would be on my left versus the right. Which is ironic because we're doing the right side. Flip them over. Put this on this side. And then we are going to put you here. With you there. Lock them in place. Keep these guys from coming apart. And put our guy right, maybe like that. Flip them over, we'll keep them off to the side because now we gotta do this piece again, or section. Flip them towards you. Now we'll do this the right way, make it easier. We need two like that. Tan piece right behind it, and then tan piece locking those into place. Flip it back over. What does that look? Oh, because I got this going the wrong way. I was gonna say that's not gonna, wasn't gonna fit. Got a little confused there, and it happens, but it's okay. It is a-okay. Now we'll use the last two of these number 18 stickers. Put them on the left side, the last two. Get this one out here. And the light, nope, right there. That's a good one too. You know, I just need a little practice, get a few in me, I can get them somewhat straight. Then we'll take our number 2 right there and put him on, which this will go to the inside again over here. Make sure it's all down. Got a little something making it pop up a little. There's that, and then we'll put these guys on, which just starts right at the angle. And we put that, this one right underneath like that. And now we can go ahead and slide him over the other didgeridoo, which is right here. Get it on like that. Put them down, we'll even them out, and we'll put our other white piece on to keep them working in tandem together, just like that. You know, so when you lift one, they both go. And that'll do it for step or part 4. Bag 4, whichever you prefer. We got our sides on. It wasn't much we did there. We did put sides there and side here. We did put our front turrets, little blasters. You know, they can move pretty in a wide range. because you kind of need to, you know. You got bogeys on your left, you can shoot them. You got bogeys on your right, you can shoot them. If they're kind of below you, kind of above you, you'll be able to hit them. Next video, part 5, will be, okay, this is where it looks like we'll be doing, and I'll show you here, doing the framing, rather, for the wings. It looks like we'll be doing all this right here, and that will be in step part 5, like I said. And with that being said, part 4 has come to a ending here. If you like what you saw, you know, hit that like button, hit that subscribe. If you want to keep seeing, you know, you're liking what you're seeing, you know, leave a comment on what sets I should be doing after this. I'm gonna do Luke's land speeder next, I believe, with some, you know, smaller ones in between. Like, I think, and coming up soon, I'm gonna be doing the Lars Homestead family kitchen that I had gotten with the land speeder. Yeah, so, you know, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment if you're liking what you're seeing, and stay tuned for part 5 and others. Peace.